There are desktops that feel fast, and then there are desktops that completely remove the idea of limits. This is one of those systems. The Aegis ZS2 Gaming Desktop is clearly designed for users who expect more than just smooth performance. It's built for people who run demanding applications, push high-end games to their limits, and still want everything to feel effortless. At the center of this setup is the AMD Ryzen 9 9900X, combined with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080. Equipped with 16 gigabytes of GDDR5 memory. Right away, that combination places this machine in a category that focuses on serious performance rather than casual use. But what stands out isn't just the specs, it's how everything works together. When running modern games at ultra settings, the experience feels fluid and responsive, even in demanding scenarios. High frame rates, detailed environments, and advanced lighting effects all come together without noticeable slowdowns. It doesn't feel like the system is trying to keep up. It feels like it's ahead of the workload. The same applies to productivity tasks. Editing large video files, working with high-resolution assets, or running multiple heavy applications at once doesn't create the usual strain you'd expect. The Ryzen 9 processor handles multitasking with consistency, keeping performance stable even during long sessions. On the graphics side, the RTX 5080 delivers a noticeable leap in visual quality and speed. Features like real-time ray tracing and AI-driven enhancements aren't just supported, they're handled with ease. This results in sharper visuals, smoother motion, and an overall more immersive experience whether you're gaming or creating content. Of course, power like this needs proper thermal management. The liquid cooling system plays a key role in maintaining stable performance. Instead of temperatures rising and causing performance drops, the system stays cool and consistent. That means you get reliable output even during extended usage, which is critical for both gamers and professionals. Memory is another area where this system removes limitations. With 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, there's more than enough capacity for intensive multitasking. You can switch between applications, keep multiple programs running, and handle complex workflows without hesitation. It changes the way you use a PC because you're no longer thinking about closing apps to save resources. Storage is equally impressive. A total of 5 terabytes gives you both speed and space. The 4 terabytes SSD ensures fast load times for your main files and applications, while the additional 1 terabyte docking station expands your storage for backups, media, and extra data. It's a setup that balances performance with practicality. Connectivity is also future-ready. With Wi-Fi 7 support, the system is prepared for faster wireless speeds and improved stability. This becomes especially useful in environments where multiple devices are connected at the same time, helping maintain a smooth and reliable connection. The inclusion of a keyboard and mouse means the system is ready to go right out of the box. It simplifies the setup process and makes it easier to start using the system immediately. From a design perspective, the desktop keeps things clean and focused. The black chassis has a modern, minimal look that fits well into different setups, while still maintaining a strong presence. It doesn't rely on excessive design elements, it lets the performance speak for itself. But beyond individual components, what really defines this system is the experience it delivers. It's built to provide long-term reliability and enough performance headroom to handle future demands. Instead of worrying about upgrades or limitations, you can focus entirely on what you want to do, whether that's gaming, creating, or multitasking at a high level. For anyone looking to invest in a powerful and future-ready desktop, this is a system that's worth serious consideration. If you're interested in learning more or checking current pricing, take a look at the link provided in the description.